Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine and Devilish States. Chapter 16, Shloka 11. Giving themselves over to immeasurable cares, ending only with death, regarding gratification of lust as their highest aim, and feeling sure that that is all that matters.
Chapter 16, Shloka 11. Chintam aparimeyancha pralayantamupashritaha kamopaboga parama etavaditi nishchitaha.
6 Shloka 11. Painting the concept of life in a confirmed materialist. Krishna continues. Anxiety and care are his constant companions, engaged in futile endeavors, full of sorrows, till he meets death. Powerful desires conquer his peace and joy during his ordinary life. His struggles in acquiring and anxieties in preserving the acquired objects of desires are the contents of all cares of life. To waste an entire lifetime in such anxieties and in the end to realize how miserably one had failed is indeed a tragedy. The philosophy and goal of life of the diabolically fallen is the satisfaction of their lusty nature, and there is nothing beyond it. They do realize that a life dedicated to an endless hunt for sense gratification is a tragic way of living, and that in such a scheme of existence, the individual is called upon to pay an exorbitant price for relatively insignificant gains, and yet they continue seeking satisfaction of their uncontrolled lust. They know not of any life the contents of which are peace and joy. According to them, sorrows and care alone are the contents of life. They fail to discover any harmony of or rhythm underlying the superficial disturbances of life. Not seeing any hope either in themselves or for the world, they drag through the revengefully meeting the happenings around in the world. All their powers are wasted to die a miserable death, exhausted and disappointed. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.